Hi, my name is Claire Burton, and this presentation is on what is a registered dietitian. A registered dietitian is an expert on good nutrition and healthy food options. They help patients with eating proper diets, or they help manage diseases or chronic conditions that their patients may have. They can help patients design nutrition programs that protect their health. And they help patients lose weight, understand their needs and modifications for diets, and they help make meal plans. There are many different types of registered dietitians, and they all work in different work environments. Many work in hospitals or healthcare facilities, such as educating patients about nutrition and administering medical nutrition therapy. And they can help within food service operations, as well in like schools and sports nutrition. They can help clients about the connection between food and fitness and health. And within food and nutrition industries, they can work in communications, consumer affairs, public relations, and consult with restaurants. And in private practices, they can work under contract with healthcare or food companies or within their own businesses. Community and public health settings, they can help teach, monitor, and advise the public and help improve the quality of life through healthy eating habits. At universities, RDs can help teach physician's assistants, nurses, dietetic students, dentists, and other sciences of food and nutrition. And then lastly, in research areas in food and pharmaceutical companies, RDs can help with directing or conducting experiments to answer critical nutrition questions and help finding alternative foods or nutrition recommendations. So, how to become a registered dietitian? First, you have to complete a bachelor's degree and receive a verification statement from a ASCEND accredited program, which is the dietetic program in dietetics or the coordinated program. And then you have to complete an ASCEND accredited supervised practice, a dietetic internship program, or individual supervised practice pathway. And then after that, you have to be able to pass the dietetic registration exam, and then you can gain licensure in the state of your practice and become certified. And then you, as a registered dietitian, you maintain continuing education. The salary and job outlook of registered dietitians, the job increase has increased of about 11% between 2008 and 2020. It's ranked number 24 in best healthcare jobs, and it's ranked number 88 in 100 best jobs. The median salary for registered dietitians is about $60,000, and becoming a dietitian is a very rewarding, flexible, and inspiring job.